let's start a YouTube channel. I came to the conclusion that I wanted to start a YouTube channel, and there's a couple factors that I had to think about, so let's go through those together just in case you're deciding the same exact thing. So first off, I wanted to know when in the world I'm at my busy schedule am I going to start recording. And the only real time that I could really think about is early in the morning, 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning. One of the drawbacks to doing that is it's dark. You have no light, so I decided to get a light. And the most efficient light for your money is a ring light. It costs roughly about $100 to $200 depending on the light you get, and so I started out with that. Next, when you get the light, you gotta find out where in the world are you gonna record in your house. And so I didn't want to have a kitchen in my background. I didn't want to have a coat rack in the background. Didn't want to do it specifically on my couch. And so I tried a couple angles, a couple different locations with the light to see kind of how it would look. Next, there was a couple other things that I had to think about as far as what am I going to use as a desk. I need my laptop for some of my videos. I need a place to hold my phone for a couple of videos. So I have a little dinner table parked right in front of me. And so now you have what many people call a studio, and I call my living room, is where I'm going to record my YouTube videos. And really the reason why I decided to start a YouTube channel is because I would post videos on YouTube, and some of the topics I would cover in real estate, there's a lot of information, a lot of details that are very important that you get that I really I didn't have time to pack into a 60-second video. And so my next thought was YouTube. The other option was IGTV, and I didn't go with IGTV because I feel like it's not as native to watch a long-length video on IGTV as it is YouTube. And part of the reason why YouTube is so successful is because a lot of the videos on there get you the information that you want, but at the same time, things like real estate aren't always the most entertaining things, and it allows you to make videos that are a lot more entertaining. And so that's really my goal. Obviously, some of the videos I want to do are going to be less real estate, more just having fun, but for the most part, I want to get you the information that you want and the details that you need to hear in a full-length video. So without further ado, I want to say welcome to my channel. This is going to be the first of many videos, and your feedback is huge to me because I really want to know exactly some of the things that you want to hear and some of the things that you want to see on my channel. So like, dislike, comment, it means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.